English class. In our today's class we are going to study singular and plural. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿಯೋಣಂತ. So singular means the noun which is single, which we can count, which is one in number. ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾಮಪದ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್. ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ by adding s. We can make a word as a plural by adding s. s ಅನ್ನು ಆ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. noun that ends with s, sh, ch adds es. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾಮಪದ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಲಿಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇ ಎಸ್ ಟು ದ nouns which ends with s, sh and ch. Then we use the nouns that ends with f or fe, add s or s, ves. So the nouns which ends with f or fe, to make them plural we use s or ves. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾಮಪದ ಎಫ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಫ್ ಇ ಲಿಂತ್ರ ಮುಗೀತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ves ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. noun that ends with y adds ies. A noun which ends with y, we have to add ies to make it plural. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾಮಪದ y ಲಿಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ies ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. noun that ends with o, add es. So there is a noun, if it ends with o, add es. ಒಂದು ನಾಮಪದ ಏನಾದರೂ o ಲಿಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಡ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು es ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹಚ್ಬೋದು. irregular plurals. So there are some irregular plurals. ಕೆಲವು irregular plurals ಅದಾವು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣಂತ. ಇನ್ನು ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಎಸ್. ಸೊ to make a word as a plural you have to add yes. Let us see the example. So see here, the first one is by adding s we can make these words as plural. See, bag is there, just I have to add yes. Bag, bags. Next, girl, girls. Boy, boys. Eye, eyes. See what I have done for these words, just I have added s and I have changed these singulars into plurals. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಲೆಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವನ್ನ ನಾನು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ noun that ends with s, sh, ch adds es. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್. ends with s, sh, ch, then we have to add es. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಅಥವಾ ಶಬ್ದ ಏನಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಲಿಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಥ ನಾಮಪದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಡಿಶ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫಾಕ್ಸ್, box and match. So these are the words which ends with s, sh, h, then ch. Here are some words which ends with s, sh, x, then x and ch. How can we change these words? Yes, we can change these words just by adding es. So here our rule says that we have to add es to change these words. Bus, buses. We add es to bus. Dish, dishes. Dish, dishes. Then fox, foxes. Yes, box, boxes. Match, matches. Then watch, watch, watches. Got it? So here for the words which ends with s, sh, x and ch, we have added es to make them into plural, to change them into plural form. So bus, s we have changed into es. Dish, sh. So we have used es, we have added es and changed it into dishes. Fox, foxes. Box, boxes. Match, matches. Watch, watches. So this is how our second rule. So it says to change the words which ends with s, sh, x and ch into es. So these are the examples. Now let us move to the third rule. Noun that ends with f or fe. Let us see. So our rule says that the words which ends with f or fe, we can add to make that plural. So we can add ves, isn't it? Yes, we can add ves. So what are the words which ends with f or fe? Let us see. Now life, then yes, wife. Next, wolf. Yes, next, knife. Isn't it? So here the words which ends with f or fe, we can change them just by adding ves into plural form. So life, it ends with fe. It ends with fe. Y, fe. Then wolf, it ends with f. Knife, it ends with f. How can we change? Let us see. Life, lives. Li, instead of fe, we use ves. Lives. Wife. So instead of fe, we change it into wives by adding ves. So by adding ves, we change. Now wolf, we have to remove this f and we have to use ves. Wolves. Then next, knife, knives. Wolf, wolves, knife, knives. So these are the things which we changed by adding ees for the words which ends with f or fe. Now let us move further. The next rule, it says us the nouns that ends with y, add ies to change into plural form. So here the words which ends with Y, the word which ends with Y, we have to use IES to change that into plural form. So, what are they? Let us study now. Baby, family, story, lady. So here these are the words which ends with Y. See here, baby, family, story and lady. Now let us change these into plural form by adding ES. Babies, families, next stories, then ladies. So here see, the words which ends with Y, we are changing them into IES. Baby, babies, family, families, story, stories, lady, ladies. So this is how we can change the words which ends with Y into IES. Again, see here one thing is there. So I have explained you vowels and consonants, isn't it? So Y, then L, R, D. What are these? Are these vowels or consonants? Yes, B, L, R and D. So are these vowels or consonants? Yes, these are consonants, because these are consonants when the words which ends with Y and before that if there are consonants, then only we can change that into plural form by adding ES. Otherwise we can't make them plural by adding IES, isn't it? So see, let us start. So, example, let us see for the words which ends with Y and just we have to add S. Day, key. Okay. Way, essay, then donkey, see here, these are the words day, key, way, essay and donkey which ends with Y, but to change these into plural form we can't use IES, we have to add only S. Why? Because as I said you, when there are consonants before Y, at that time you can add IES to change them to make them plural form, whereas the words which ends with Y and before the Y if there are vowels, then you have to use only S. So for day, to make it into plural form, can we use IES? No, we can't use. So day, days. Key, keys. Then way, ways. Essay, essays. Okay. Next, donkey. Donkeys. Donkey, donkeys. Got it? Yes. These are the words which ends with vowel a, e, e. So that's why when the word, so the y, before the y, if there comes a, e, I, o, u, then vowel, then we can use them to change that into plural form. We have to use only s. Day, days. Key, keys. Way, ways. Essay, essays. Donkey, donkeys. Let us move to the next rule, that is noun that ends with o and adds es. Okay, the word which ends with o, there to change them into plural form we have to use es. So let us see some words. Tomato, potato. Okay, then next, hero. So just for the words that ends with o, we have to use es. How can we use them? Let us see. Tomato is there, it ends with o. Potato ends with o. Hero ends with o. Echo ends with o. Let us change these into plural form. Tomato, tomatoes. T-O-E-S. Then potato, potatoes. Next, hero, heroes. Echo, echoes. Echo, echoes. So these are the words which ends with o, and to change them into plural form we have used es. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Echo, echoes. So now there is a last rule, that is irregular plurals. Let us see the irregular plurals. So irregular plurals. Let us see some irregular plurals. Food, man, woman, child. So to change these words we have no rule, nothing. So they have their own rule to change. So there are some irregular verbs. Let us see. Tooth. We can change this tooth into teeth. The plural form of tooth is teeth. Form of foot, feet. Man, men. Woman, women. Children, child, children. So we can't use children. So children is itself a plural form. So plural of the word child is children. Plural of the word tooth is teeth. Foot, feet. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. So these are the plural, singulars and plurals. So here we have seen how there are some rules to change the singular form into plural form. The first one is by adding s to words we can change plural. Then by adding s we can use some words into plural form. Then the words which ends with s, x and ch, we can make them plural. We can change them into plural form by adding es. Then the words that ends with f or fe, the words which ends with f or fe, we can make them plural by using s or ves. Then the words that ends with ies, the words which ends with y, we can make them into plural by using ies or s. So when we use ies, when there are consonants before y, we can use ies. So if there are vowels before y, then we have to use s to change that word into plural form. Then there are some irregular verbs, irregular forms. So there are some irregular plural words. Then the words which ends with o, we can change that word into plural form by adding es. So in our today's class we have learnt that vowels and consonants, noun, so countable and uncountable noun, singular and plural. So there are any doubts you can ask me. So in our next class we will see what will be there for our next session. Thank you.